Hi folks, Handyman Keith here. I've just installed a Fortress railing system on this newly recovered Trex deck. To begin with, let me start with these posts here. These posts are 45 inches on the stairs, and they need to be 45 inches in order to give clearance between the stair railing and the stairs right there. Now, for the flat surface, you can go with these 39-inch posts right here. And I tried to use some over on these stairs that were 39-inch posts. And that's okay, but you do run into a clearance problem there with the stairs. You can see how there's very little clearance there between the stair railing and the stairs. Made it work, but really should be 45 on these stairs. If you got real shallow stairs, it'll work, but it really does need to be the 45. Now, these posts, powder coated, and what you get in the box is you get the powder coated post. It also looks like it's zinc coated inside, so very corrosion resistant. On the bottom, you get that little flange. You get the covering for the flange, and these are 4-bolt posts, and they go right into the substructure that you have underneath it. We'll talk a little bit more about how to install it and some tips I learned there in another video. But let's talk about what we have to order in order to get a Fortress system going. So you order the post. Now you don't get the cap here. The cap is installed over top of the existing post. The post comes with this plastic cap right here, and you have to purchase that cap right there extra, but not too much. Now, the railing systems come in either 6 or 8 feet, and you need to cut the railing systems to the length that you have, or to the width, or to the span that you have. Not too bad. Now, to attach the railings to the post, you need to there's a couple different brackets you can choose from. One is called the universal bracket, and then there's also this thing called the collar bracket, which is what I have right here. I purchased both of them to begin with just to see which one I like best. I purchased one of each and ended up selecting the collar bracket. It is far more substantial than the universal bracket, so I would highly recommend that. And they come in both the fixed side, or the fixed ones, and also the ones for the stairs that can be inclined at an angle. Alright, the post, these are 2x2s. You can also get those in 3x3s, just kind of whatever you prefer. We want to get clean lines, minimal railings, so we went with the 2x2. Still very strong though, so no concerns from that perspective. Comes in 3 different colors. You can get gloss black, matte black, or bronze. And that is about it, folks. Just need to order the right size post. That's critical depending on what your stairs are. Make sure you got enough length to cut with, and then get those collar brackets, not the universal brackets, and install them. Should be good to go. Alright, if this has helped you, give me a like and subscribe as well.